So hello guys, in this video we shall be looking at the step by step you need to take in order to register on Stablefund. Okay, first and foremost, I want you to understand that you should not make mistake on registering on the right website. Okay, now the right website is Stablefund. Okay, .app, right? You can see this is the right website. Make sure you are registering on this website, www.stablefund.app, not .com, not .org or any other thing, is .app. Now, if you come in here and you click on the stablefund.app, is going to bring you into this interface. Okay, now this is the interface of Stablefund. Okay, now if you don't know what Stablefund is actually a crypto trading platform that actually trade crypto on behalf of its member and remits 1.5% to its member virtually every day. Okay, not like Pure Forex that trade only Monday to Friday. This is crypto, so it trades from Monday to Sunday continuously. Okay, so you keep getting 1.5% every day. Okay, like as you can rightly see up here, it says the world most advanced crypto wallet. That is what this project also has. Okay, it says protect your digital asset with industry leading security, trade cryptos, take and earn, store all your crypto in one place. The beautiful thing about Stablefund is that they actually have everything you need to protect your crypto all in one in this platform. Okay, so they have their own wallet that is protected. Okay, now you can see they actually have app also on the iOS and on the Android. Okay, so you can go to the Play Store, you can download your app from the Play Store, and you can also download from the Apple Store, right? So in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step. All you need to know, all you need to do to get registered on the Stablefund platform and start earning 1.5 daily. So you're going to click on this get started here. Okay, let's click on it. So we're going to click on get started. It's going to load and it's going to take us to this interface. Now on this interface, we're expected to put in our first name, last name, email, password, and all that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to put in all that needed information here. Okay, so just make sure that whatever information you are putting in here is information that you can actually remember. Okay, okay, then you choose your password that you want to use here. Okay, to put in your password here. So after inputting your first name, your last name, your email, and your password, the next thing you need to do is to click on register. Okay, then you click on register. Now it will bring you to this interface. Okay, the reason why it's asking for your phone number here is to add an additional layer of security on this particular platform, because this is crypto and this is your money. So the platform is just trying to make sure that whoever that comes into this network is well protected, as in your money is well protected. Okay, so you're going to put in your phone number. Okay, so for me, I'm going to put in my phone number. Now, after putting your phone number, it's going to send you a code. I'm going to send a code to your phone, and you're expected to put in the OTP back into the registration website. Okay, I'm going to put in my code here now. Okay, I'm going to put in my code here. And this code is something you must not disclose to anybody. Okay, please. Right, then after putting in your code, you just click on verify. Okay, if you didn't get the OTP, then you have to click on this resend. Okay, but after you must have put in your code, just click on verified. Okay, Then it's going to load and it's going to verify you. Okay, so now you can see that my phone number has been verified. A layer of security has been placed on this new wallet, okay, that I'm opening with Stablefund. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is this: you need to create a wallet. Okay, because you are starting afresh, you need to create a wallet. But if you have an hardware, probably a ledger or something, you can actually click here and you connect your ledger wallet, okay, to this platform. But in this case, we're going to assume that you don't even have a wallet, you don't have an existing account to import. Okay, so you see it says here only you can access your wallet. Take care of your private key and use it if you want to start recovering all your assets. You see, this is very, very important. So the next step we are going to now is a step that you have to pay attention to because it's very, very important. Okay, so what you need to do is just to click on create wallet here. Now, when you click on create wallet here, okay, this wallet keys that you see, this encryption phrase that you see here, they are so important that you must not disclose it to anybody, please. They are so important, they are so private to you, because whoever that gains access to this particular wallet, the person can automatically steal your fund. Okay, the person can automatically steal your fund, they can gain access to your accounts, and your crypto can be stolen. Okay, so after putting your recovery phrase, all you need to do is to click on done. Okay, now when you click on done, it's going to load and it's going to create your wallet for you. Okay, so you can see that successfully I've imputed my wallet, right? And also my accounts have been created for me. So as you can see, your fund there, it says 00 here, right? So presently as it is, I have my wallet. Okay, I'm going to repeat this again, please. That's your encryption phrase. Those keyword, please, you have to keep them very, very safe. Okay, those keyword, those phrases that you copied earlier, keep them very, very safe. Don't expose it to anybody. Okay, now on this interface, the next thing is to do is to look out, come in here, and you're going to read everything about this particular website, Stablefund. Okay, as you can see here, this is the number, the amount of Matic, okay, that have been invested so far on this platform. This is the total investors. If the total investors, we have 5,602 investors. Okay, then you can see the total Matic reward that they've given out. Okay, now if you come up here and you change it, okay, to BUSD, you can see the amount of BUSD invested. You can see the total investors of BUSD. You can see the total reward, okay, of BUSD that they've given out. Then you come down also and you click on BNB. Because basically we have just 3 coins. We have the Matic, we have BNB, and we have BUSD that you can actually use to invest on this particular platform. Okay, then when you come down here, you can see the total numbers of BNB, 4,219 BNB that they've invested actually on this particular platform, Stablefund. Then you can see the total investors, 1,104. Then you can see the total Matic reward that they've given, 72 BMN. Sorry, the total number of BNB that the reward that they've given out is 72.36 BNB. Now, the reason why the BNB is low is this: the BNB, they actually just started incorporated the BNB into this platform just about 5 days ago. Okay, so that is why the BNB is a bit low like this. Okay, so invariably what you can do is this: you can either start your investment with BUSD, either you start with Matic or you start with BUSD. Okay, so Matic, BUSD, or BNB. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is this: you now have to click on these deposits. Okay, like I already told you earlier, you can see this is the percentage you're expected to get every day, 1.5%, and it has never failed because I've been in this system for a month and there's never been a day where they actually failed in remitting the 1.5% of your total deposit or investment. Okay, so you click on this deposit here, right? You click on this deposit here. Okay, let's come to wallet here. Okay, you come to wallet here, right? Let's assume you want to deposit, let's say BUSD. Okay, you just have to click on this particular icon here, right? You click on this icon here, then you come down here and you click on this wallet address here. You can see this wallet address. Then you go to your either Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, any other wallet that you actually use, then you're going to send the amount of BUSD that you want to stake on this platform in here. Okay, it could be 100, 1,000, 10,000, whatever the amount is, you're going to send it in here. Okay, all you just need to do is to copy this wallet address, paste it on whichever wallet you're going to be sending your fund from. Okay, and it's going to come in. Now the same thing is applicable to either you are sending in Matic. Okay, if you are sending in Matic, you click on this Matic. If you are sending BNB, you click on this BNB. Okay, then you're going to send your fund directly into Stablefund here. Okay, then automatically the total amount that you actually send is going to reflect here, right? It's going to reflect. You're going to see it reflect here. Okay, then if you want to send, if you want to stake, after you must have deposited your money, you want to stake, then you're going to come down here. Okay, then you come here and you click on either Matic, BUSD or BNB. Okay, let's assume you are using BUSD. Then if it is $100, you're going to put in, let's say you have $100 here, right? Then you're going to click on approve here. Okay, now when you, oh sorry, $100, sorry, let's say $100. Then you're going to click on approve here. Okay, now when you click on approve here, automatically you see your earning, automatically it will show. Okay, you start seeing how much you're earning on a daily basis. Okay, which is $100. For this $100, let's say if you go to the calculator, they actually have a calculator down here. So you come down here, you can see this is the calculator. Assuming you're doing $100, okay, you're going to be seeing how much you're earning hourly. Okay, you can see here. You can see hourly. You're going to see how many BUSD you'll be earning hourly. You're going to see how many BUSD you'll be earning daily here, right? You're going to be seeing all the total information you need to get about your investment here, okay? But the truth of the matter is that daily, you're going to be getting 1.5% of your total sum, okay? Now, if you are sending in either BNB or BUSD, remember that aside the total amount that you'll be investing, which is $100, you should have at least some money, some BNB that you're going to be using as gas fee, right? You should have some BNB. And if you are sending Matic, you should remember that you should have some Matic. It might just be like $5 worth of BNB, or if it is Matic, $5 worth of Matic, $10, whichever one you want, that you can use as your gas fee, right? And also remember, this platform does not really charge any much fee. All you need to pay is just 3%. 3% of your total investment. That is the only fee that you have to pay, okay? Now, I'll advise you to always read the white paper of any investment that you're actually joining. So you just come down here, you click on this white paper so that you read the white paper. And also remember, you have to click on the Telegram channel so that you'll be able to read. You have to be able to join the Telegram group, okay? Now, this is the white paper. Make sure you come down here and read everything you need to know about Stablefund, okay? This is the white paper. And also remember, you should always click this Telegram icon so that you join the Telegram group. It's a very rich group. So every information you need to know, everything you need to know about this particular platform, any question you need to ask, go to the Telegram group and ask at the Telegram group, okay? It's a very active group. They will actually respond to it. And if you want to see the contract of this particular project, you just click on this and it will take you to BSC Scan. It's an open project, okay? There's nothing to hide about this program. So you come up here, you're going to see every information that you need about this particular project, okay? You can see the total token, okay? You can see every information here. You can see people with claiming, depositing, every second, everything is actually running on this particular platform, right? So that is all the information I want to give you here. That is just the easy and simplest way for you to get the step-by-step to get registered on Stablefund, okay? Now I want to believe you actually got value from this particular video, right? So I want you to give the video a thumbs up, right? And I also want you to subscribe to the channel, okay? So please endeavor to subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate that so much if you got value from this video. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.